Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Spotify premium subscription quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open your Spotify app on your phone, and once it opens, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open your settings. And here under the account section, tap Premium Plan, and then select View Your Plan. Here you'll see the type of plan that you currently have, like premium, individual, duo, or family. Next, tap See Other Plans and scroll down and tap Change Plans on Web. This will direct you to Spotify.com. And on the website, scroll down until you see Change Plan. Tap on it and scroll again until you find Cancel Premium option. Tap Cancel Premium and when prompted, confirm by selecting Yes, Cancel. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your premium Spotify subscription. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.